Tracking progress is important when you want to achieve any goal. It helps you see how far you have come and what you need to do next. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and focused. Here is a simple guide to help you track progress and celebrate small wins. Step 1. Set clear goals. Start by setting clear and specific goals. When your goals are clear, it is easier to measure your progress. Write down what you want to achieve and by when. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be fit," say, "I want to exercise for 30 minutes 5 days a week." Step 2. Break goals into small steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, easy steps. Each small step is a mini goal. This way you can track progress step by step. For example, if your goal is to write a book, start by writing 1 page a day. Step 3. Use a tracking method. Choose a simple way to track your progress. You can use a journal, a calendar, or a mobile app. Mark each completed step or task. This shows you how much you have done and how close you are to your goal. Step 4. Review your progress regularly. Set a time to review your progress every week or month. Look at what you have achieved and what needs more work. This review helps you stay on track and adjust your plan if needed. Step 5. Celebrate small wins. When you complete a small step, celebrate it. Small wins build confidence and keep you motivated. Celebrations don't have to be big. You can treat yourself with a favorite snack, take a short break, or share your success with a friend. Step 6. Stay positive and keep going. Progress is not always fast. Sometimes, you may face challenges or slow days. Remember to stay positive and focus on your small wins. Every step forward is progress. Tracking progress and celebrating small wins are powerful ways to reach your goals. Start today by setting a goal, breaking it down, and tracking your steps. Celebrate every achievement, no matter how small, and enjoy your journey to success.